Hello friends, I am Gugi Ruhini Madan from KJ Somaya College, Kopargaon. In this semester, I am going to teach you CHO 150 Basic Organic Chemistry. Section first. Section first, which having 2 credits, 24 lectures and conducted 6 tutorials. These sections are divided into 3 units. Unit first is structure and reactivity. Second, heterocyclic chemistry, and third, stereochemistry. So first, we will discuss unit first, structure and reactivity, which having 4 lectures. In this unit, I am the study of aromaticity of benzoid and non-benzoid compound. Huckel rule, anti-aromaticity, application to carbocyclic and heterocyclic system, anilines, azulines, current concepts of aromaticity. Next unit is heterocyclic chemistry and which having 8 lectures. In this unit, the study of 5 and 6 member heterocycles with 1 and 2 heteroatoms. Okay, the synthesis, reactivity, aromatic character and importance of the heterocyclic compounds like furan, pyrrole, thiophene, pyrazole, imidazole, pyridine and pyrimidine. Okay. Unit 3rd is stereochemistry and which having 12 lectures. Part A is stereochemical principles, enantiomeric relationship, diastereomic relationship, R and S configuration, E and Z nomenclature in carbon, nitrogen, sulfur and phosphorus containing compounds. Prochiral relationship, stereospecific and stereoselective reactions, optical activity in biphenyls, spirines, olenes and topicity. Part B is a conformational analysis of di, tri, tetra substituted 5 and 6 member rings and decalins. Okay. Now first we will discuss the unit 2nd, heterocyclic chemistry or heterocyclic compounds. In this unit I am going to teach you the 6 member and 5 member heterocyclic ring. 5 member heterocyclic rings, for example furan, thiophene, pyrrole, it is a 5 member ring, and pyridine, pyridine, it is a 6 member rings. Okay. First we will discuss the cyclic compounds. There are 2 types of cyclic compounds. First one is heterocyclic and second is homocyclic. Heterocyclic compounds means the compounds contain ring made up of carbon atoms and nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur atoms. Okay. For example, pyrrole. Homocyclic means the compounds containing ring made up of only carbon atoms. In the benzene ring, there are all carbon atoms, 6 carbon atoms. In cyclohexanol, the ring contains 6 carbon atoms. Next, we will discuss the 5 members ring. First is a furan molecule. Furan, it is aromatic in nature there are 4 carbon atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Therefore, it is a 5-member ring. Okay. Next, the properties of furan. Furan have 4 carbon and 1 oxygen, and all are sp2 hybridized. Okay. And the sp2 hybridization is a planar, and it makes the furan is a planar structure. Okay. And the total number of non-bonding electrons are 6, 4 from carbon atoms and 1, 2 from oxygen atoms. Okay. In the furan structure, there are 6 electrons, 4 from carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 from carbon atoms and 2 from oxygen atom. In oxygen atom, there are 4 electrons are present, but only 2 electrons are participate in resonance and 2 electrons do not participate in resonance because it is a stable electrons. Okay. In oxygen atom there are 2 lone pairs. Okay. 2 electrons give 1 lone pair. Here 4 electrons and we give 2 lone pair. Okay. And the resonance of 6 electrons follows the Huckel's rule. Okay. 4n plus 2 pi electron is Huckel's rule. Therefore, 4 into 1 plus 2 is equal to 6 electrons, which obey the Huckel's rule. Therefore, furan is a aromatic in nature. Okay. The synthesis of furan. First is the Paul-Knorr synthesis of furan. The starting material of synthesis is 1,4-dicarbonyl compounds. Okay. In presence of acids and loss of water molecule or dehydration, which give the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. 2,5-dimethyl furan. Okay. The mechanism of Paul-Knorr synthesis of furan. Starting material is 1,4-dicarbonyl compounds in presence of acid. Step first is the lone pair of oxygen. Abstract this hydrogen and the formation of CH3, C double bond O, CH2, CH2, C double bond OH. Oxygen carry positive charge and here CH3. Okay. Next, loss of proton. This bond shifted here and this bond shifted here. Here oxygen carry negative charge. This charge attack on here and stabilize the positive charge. Okay. And we get the structure like this. Okay. Next, the addition of H plus or acid, lone pair of oxygen, attack on here H plus and formation of H2O plus. Next, the loss of proton and water molecule and we give the structure of 2,5-dimethyl furan. Okay.